Good morning students. Today I am coming with a new topic, that is compatibility of the blood groups. This is whether the recipient and donor's blood group are matching or not during the blood transfusion. So blood transfusion is needed when a person suffers from thalassemia or any kind of blood disorder, okay? And when a person had an accident, then they need immediate blood for the urgent purpose. So they need a donor to donate the blood to recipient. So in the case of what we call the types of blood groups, you have studied in the previous class, and now which blood group is matching with another person with the blood group. And even within your family, even when you are marrying a person with future life, your partner, you need to know the blood group, yes or no? So here blood group, you have different types of blood group, that is O negative, O positive, A negative, A positive, B negative, B positive, AB negative, AB positive. Now the question is, before talking about the compatible blood group, I will say one more point, that is rhesus factor. Okay, what is rhesus factor? This rhesus factor, it was discovered by the Karl Landsteiner and Wiener, okay, A.S. Wiener. So in 1940, Karl Landsteiner and A.S. Wiener has discovered the Rh factor in 1940. Now what he did? They both experimented with the monkey rhesus factor. Monkey is from the rhesus family, and mostly you have seen the monkeys with the red face and black face. So the monkeys with the red face, pinkish face color, those are rhesus race, okay, race of that belongs to rhesus. So that's why the rhesus blood group factor has been the word has been derived from rhesus monkey, okay. So this Rh factor, so short form you are writing Rh. Now we have studied the RBC. On RBC there is antigen A and antigen B in the blood group B. So let's talk about first antigen A. So you have a blood group A, for example. Your blood group belongs to A. When your blood group belongs to A, you have antigen A, right, which is the shape of A when we observe under the microscope. Now B is antigen B, right. I have said whenever there is antigen A in blood group A, there will be antibody B. So you have antibody B which is floating in the blood plasma. RBC also floating in the blood plasma. Cells are also floating it, right. So they are floating each other in the blood, carrying along with the blood. Now here this is B shape, okay, this is B shape. Now let's see here, what is rhesus factor? Rhesus factor, Rh factor. There are two types of rhesus factor based on the presence or absence of this factor on the RBC. That is Rh positive and Rh negative. Okay, Rh positive and Rh negative. He found out, this scientist, they found out under the microscope, when he checked the monkey's blood, they found it to be certain that one protein like structure which are found on the outer wall of the RBC. He found it very strange that he found antigen A, antigen B antibodies, but rhesus factor, which is strange type of proteins which are found. So he checked all his staff blood group and checked it. When he saw that some of the antigens they don't have rhesus factor, means there is no strange protein which is formed here. This is Rh positive because something strange protein which is different from antigen A and B are present. And in the another blood group, a person which is having the same blood group, the person was not having any Rh factor, and this we call Rh negative. Rh negative. So this is Rh positive and this is Rh negative. So you can conclude it that the antigens which have a strange protein structure, rhesus factor, that is Rh positive, and the one who has Rh negative, means one who does not have that particular protein, that is absence of Rh. So that is called Rh negative. That's why here we call O negative. O negative means they don't have the rhesus factor. O positive means they have a rhesus factor. A negative, they don't have the rhesus factor. A plus, they have the rhesus factor. So where there is positive sign, they have a rhesus factor. Where there is negative sign, they are what we call no rhesus factor. Okay. Now let's study about the compatibility of blood groups. And in short, I will be telling that what is the advantages of what we call the difference between the Rh positive and Rh negative. In case the mother is Rh negative and father is Rh positive. For example, your father symbol is like this, right? So father's gamete, they are possessing what we call the Rh positive factor, and the female has Rh negative factor. Then what happens after conceiving a baby in the mother's womb? The child, the fetus will carry the Rh positive because of the father, but the mother will not does not have any Rh antibodies. So in the first pregnancy, it will not cause any harm because the mother has the fetus blood will be mixed up only at the time of delivery. Here what happens, when the father is Rh positive and the mother is Rh negative, the child offspring, I mean the baby fetus, will also be Rh positive. Okay. In case of course the father is positive and child will be positive. So they possess the Rh positive. When the child is Rh positive, then they are receiving the same. When the child is Rh positive, at the time of delivery by mother, at the time of delivery of a baby by mother, the blood gets mixed up, and the blood in the human mother's body, they start producing Rh antibodies. So these Rh antibodies have been already developed in your blood after delivery. So what happened in the second delivery? In the second delivery, there will be complications because they have developed the Rh positive antibodies, and it will react and get trapped with the Rh antigens which are present in the second baby, in the fetus in your womb. It means for example, in the first delivery, it is normal because at the time of delivery only Rh antibodies have been developed in the mother's blood because of the mixing of the blood with the baby. Then second delivery, what happens? Second delivery now. The Rh antibodies have been developed already at the time of delivery. During pregnancy, the Rh antibodies were not developed, so they did not react with the antigens of the baby womb. But here there is complication. That is, one problem happens, that is erythroblastosis. So in second delivery, erythroblastosis happens, which is abnormal, but we can prevent it by undergoing the premature birth. Okay, like 6 months, 8 months, and it will be nurtured in the ICU. The baby will be nurtured in the ICU. So that is all about the rhesus factor. Now let's see the incompatible blood groups which I have been talking about. So there is no place here, so I will be adjusting here, O plus, O negative. Now here I will write O negative, positive, A negative, A positive, B negative, B positive, AB negative, AB positive. Okay. Now, if you want to know which blood groups are matching, means which type you want a safety. When you want an urgent blood from other person, from the recipient, you need to, your blood group should match with the other blood group person, right? So for safety purpose, you need to know that. So this O negative can, this is for this, what is written in the row, that will be donor, okay, and what is given in vertical, that will be recipient. So these blood groups here written, they can receive the blood from that blood group, and this blood which is given, blood group which are shown in the rows, they will be able to donate the blood to here. Okay, so that I am showing. Okay, now O negative can receive the blood from O negative only. O positive can receive the blood from both O negative and O positive. A negative can receive the blood from both O and A group. That is O group negative, but it should be only negative. So O negative and A negative. Now let's talk about the blood group, that is A plus. A positive means what? Both O group and A group. Okay, both the positive and negative. When there is positive, both the positive negative, but when there is negative, only negative. Clear? So A positive, both O I said, then next is E, both positive and negative. So they can receive from A positive can receive blood from O negative, O positive, and A negative and A positive. Any type of person who is belonging to these groups. Now B negative can receive the blood from O and B, but negative. So here O negative, here B negative. B positive can receive the blood from O and B, both positive and negative. So here both O positive and negative, and B, that is B negative and B positive. Now let's see about the AB blood group. So AB blood group, they can, this is negative, so only from negative, but all the blood groups. Okay, so I will tick here all the negative ones of all the blood groups. A also, B also, but negative. AB also, they can receive the blood. So AB positive, all the positive. So they can receive the blood from all because they don't have antibodies to react with the antigens of the recipient. We also call AB positive, they are also called selfish blood group because they cannot donate the blood, they can donate the blood only to their groups, but they can receive the blood from all they can receive the blood. And O positive, okay, you can see the blood group O negative, especially they can donate the blood to all, but poor they can only receive the blood from O blood group. You can see now O negative can receive the blood from O negative, but O negative donor can donate to all. See all that tick, you see from vertical line they can donate the blood. O negative can donate the blood to O negative, O positive, A negative, A positive, B negative, B positive, B negative and AB positive. That's why O is very generous blood group, especially O negative. Then AB positive are very selfish because they can receive the blood from all the blood groups, but they cannot give the blood to all. They can give the blood to whom? Let's see, AB positive, right? Where is AB positive? Who can donate? AB positive is last one. See here, everywhere empty space, no? Empty space. Only where they can give the blood here? Only to AB positive. So AB positive can donate the blood only to AB positive. You see this one. So that is the difference. So I have put here cross here, cross here, cross here because they cannot, where they cannot donate or receive, I have put cross here. Okay, so this is the compatible blood groups. Now in your family you can find out whether you are matching with your blood group is matching. Almost all the families, my family has O positive blood group. So in your family also may be like that, but sometimes different blood group may arise, and whether it is matching you must see it. For example, if you want to see whether, for example, I am O positive. My blood group is O positive. So I will find about myself only. So in the O positive, here it is. This is recipient. So O positive can receive the blood from O negative, O positive, wherever ticked, but no other blood groups. Okay. So only from O group I can receive the blood. Now to whom I can donate? I am O positive. So I can donate all the positive blood groups, that is O positive, A positive, B positive, AB positive. Okay. So in the O positive I can receive the blood from where? That is O negative and O positive. But I can donate the blood if I am O positive, that is, here it is given O positive, A positive, B positive, sorry, here it is AB negative and AB positive. Okay. AB and AB. No. So you can see here AB positive and AB negative. They can donate the blood to A group, O, B, AB. Okay, that you must keep in mind. Here AB, this is negative, right? Yeah, correct. So here it will be cross. So you can receive the blood from O positive, A positive, AB negative and AB positive. Yes, B positive this. So it will be B positive. So all the positive ones. Finally, I can say I can donate the blood to those person who is belonging to blood group O positive, A positive, B positive, AB positive. Understood? So up to here. So you find out in your family that your mother and father's blood groups, how they are matching, everything you can find out, and make a list of your family, whoever having the types of blood groups. Different blood groups all may be having. So according to that, you make a table and write like this, compatible blood groups. Thank you students, and have a good day.